Hello everyone and welcome to Goma At Home and Happy New Year! You know, 2020 was quite difficult for everyone because of the pandemic. But I'm hoping that 2021 will be a much better year for all of us. And I'd like to thank you for watching us in the year 2020 here in Goma At Home. We presented different food for you, different variants and the way to cook it. And just like today, today it's a brand new day, and we're preparing something very easy and simple to make in your own kitchen. Today we're preparing hummus. And to prepare hummus, all you need are garbanzos, tahini, you need some olive oil for garnish, you can put paprika and little olives, and garlic, and of course, lemon. Okay? So first, we begin with opening our garbanzos. So we'll open our garbanzos, but if you have a lot of time, you can buy the dry ones and then boil it. Itong garbanzos, it's cooked already, it's soft, and it's ready to use. So we'll open our cans and then we'll drain our water and then wash it. One more. There you go. And then we'll wash this. And while you're washing it, pwede mo nang tanggalin yung mga ano niya, yung skin niya, you know. The more skin na matanggal mo, it will make your hummus much creamier and much smoother. Some people, they don't take out the skin, but that's perfectly okay. No? Hindi naman talaga problema 'yon. Except that if you just want it more creamy, but that's okay, perfectly okay. So after washing it, transfer it to a bowl. Continue taking out the skin of the chickpeas. Ayan. Teka lang. Lumulutang siya. Oh. You can use both hands. Pinipress mo lang ng konti para mawala para matanggal yung skin. See that? Nice. Once you start draining it, nakita pumunta siya on one side. Yan See, it's all there. You can catch it with your hands. See that? That's all the skin, and you don't want that. So once we prepared our garbanzos, we'll move on to putting tahini. So tahini is made of just roasted sesame seeds, and then they creamed it. They blended it. And you can make your own tahini. So for this one, 2 cans, I'll put approximately about say 3 tablespoons of tahini. There we go. And it's about a clove of garlic. Just one, but it's not too overpowering. And then just this much, we'll put it here, and then we will blend it until it becomes creamy. No? Gusto mo yung garlic talagang durog na durog siya. You know, hummus really it's an appetizer, and if you'll read on hummus, it really dates back in the 12th, 13th centuries. No, it originated somewhere in the Middle East. Could be the Arab countries or it could be in Egypt, and mga ganyang countries nagsimula tong hummus na to. So we'll put in our garbanzos. Okay, there you go. Oy, watch out. Okay, then we'll blend this. Okay. So initially, when you put it in the food processor, makita mo buo pa siya na ganyan. So just bring it down. Bring it down. There you go. Just bring it down, baby. And then, tuloy mo lang siya. And then while you're doing that, you can already add some olive oil. Ayan. Just work on this for about 3 to 4 minutes until it becomes really creamy. And if you want it to be creamier, you can add more water. Let's add water. Konti-konti lang. And you see, it will move again. Yan. See? There you go. Then you can put your salt. Put in a little salt just for taste. And then we put in our lemon. Some lemon juice. So, let's work on this lemon. Okay. So you have to try it. See? It needs more time na i-process siya, but it's getting there. Put in our lemon juice. How nice. Just continue processing it until maging creamy siya. At this point, you can put some black pepper if you want. I want some black pepper. So pag nakita mo na medyo thick pa, you can still add more water. There, just a little. So let's try this one more time. Sarap, creamy na siya. Okay, then we'll prepare our garnish for hummus. Of course, we'll put some olives on top of the plate. Para maganda itsura niya. Drain lang natin siya. De-drain natin siya. There you go. And put it here. Just to dry it out. Yeah. Para dry yung olives pag nilagay mo dun sa ibabaw ng hummus. You don't want it to be dripping wet with brine. And then we'll put some paprika. Okay? So, just right before serving it, always try what you're preparing. Para makita mo yung taste, makita mo yung consistency niya if it's really good. Let's try this. It's so creamy. Really good. Yes. How do you make hummus look good? Gamitin mo lang yung back na spoon mo, then just turn your plate. Put pressure. There. Apply pressure. Then spin it. Spin it. Spin your plate. That's the way to do it. There you go. Just like that. That's how you prepare your hummus. So make it look good. Wrap. Then put some olive oil. Just a little olive oil. Yan. Yeah. Put some paprika. Okay. There you go. Nice. Here's your hummus. Now let's try it. This is best eaten with pita bread. Just scoop it out. Scoop out the hummus with your pita bread. Lami kayo eh. It's a hint of garlic. You can taste the tahini. And then your garbanzos so smooth. This is the way hummus should be prepared. It's tasty. It's yummy. And it's creamy. You do some olives. In fact, you can actually put more garnish on top. You can put some crushed pepper. Real lang. Put there. And then, scoop it out with your pita bread. Even better. Wow. Sarap. All right. So thank you for joining me in Goma At Home. I'm looking forward to cooking more recipes for you and your family. And enjoy year 2021. Have a blessed one and enjoy your day. If you have the time, do this in your own kitchen and then just keep on watching my YouTube page, like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell, okay? So I'll see you next week. Have a nice day. Bye. Get a bigger chunk. Dami.